Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is about using Lego blocks as a measurement device. The thinner blocks are exactly 1/8 of an inch, not including the pip part. And then the pip itself is exactly 1/16 of an inch. The larger blocks are 3/8 of an inch exactly, plus 1/16 for the pip. You can use these as spacer blocks when setting the depth on your router, or your table saw, or your router table, or even your hand router like this one. At this setting, it should cut exactly 1/8 of an inch deep. You can also stack them to make pre-made spacer blocks of whatever size you want. This one is exactly 1 inch, and it has white blocks on every 1/2 inch. So now this will cut exactly 1/4 of an inch deep. I could go to 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch. There are even some blocks without pips on the top, and those ones are exactly 1/8 of an inch without the 16th added. So this piece is exactly 2 inches. They can also be used to set a marking gauge. This is now exactly 3/8 of an inch. So that's an easy and quick way to make very reliable spacer blocks that can be made into any size and save you some time in the shop. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.